When you first time dig into any of the stock detail page, you will see these purple quiz reminders. Now, we're very proud of our features, but at the same time we understand that some of them may take a bit longer time to get familiar with. That is why we've designed quiz here to help you shorten your learning curve so that you can immediately, within a very short space of time, get the value out of the app. And they're actually quite fun and quick to do. Each has about 5 questions. What's even better is at the end of the quiz, there's always a chance to win some free extension to the free premium. At least 5 days, and there's also a chance to win up to 30 days for each quiz. So in total, there's a decent chance you will be ending up with 3 months of free trial extension with at least 15 days guaranteed. So let's take the first one now. As you can see, these are really no-brainer questions. What do we do? Hope that is very obvious. How do we rank the stocks? How many stocks do we rank? More than 7,000. We update our rankings every day, and number 1 means it's the best possible rank, but I also personally agree with number 2. And the rings just mean the higher the rankings are, the more they will be filled. And now, very quickly, it's time to review the price you'll get. And there you go, 5 days added to your free trial premium. And finally, here you can tell us how useful you find the quiz is. And once you finish taking the quiz, you can go back to the home tab and check if the free trial has been added or not. And right here, I now have 19 days free trial, previously at 14. And the second and the third quizzes are also meant to help you understand the app better and much faster, so that you can just get the value out of the app straight away, and along the way get some rewards with you. Hope they are fun, intuitive, and easy to use.